Hey everyone! Have you forgotten your Windows 11 password? Are you stuck on the login screen and starting to panic? We've all experienced that stressful moment. You turn on your PC, ready to work or play, and suddenly Windows asks for a password you can't remember. You try once, then twice, then 3 times, and nothing works. Panic starts to rise, and you're thinking, that's it, I'm going to have to reinstall everything. Well, no! Good news! You're going to recover access to your session without losing your files, without reinstalling Windows, and most importantly, without needing the old password. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing technique, not well known by the general public, but widely used in professional environments, to reset a Windows 11 local account password. We're going to take advantage of one of Windows' internal features, and you'll see it's almost magical. But be careful. This method only works for local accounts. It does not work for Microsoft Online accounts. And of course, we do this only on your own machine, in a legal, responsible, and educational context. If you're ready to become a real Windows troubleshooting expert, get comfortable, open your eyes wide, and stay with me until the end. Also, consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell. It helps me a lot, and it ensures you never miss my next videos. All right, let's go. You're in front of the login screen. Your name appears, the password field too, but you simply can't log in. No matter how many attempts you make, nothing works. This is exactly the type of situation where the method we're about to use becomes your best ally. To begin, we're going to access Windows Advanced Recovery Mode called WinRE. And don't worry, you don't need a DVD, a bootable USB key, or any external software. From this login screen, follow these steps. Look at the bottom right. You'll see the Power button. Click on it. Now, hold down the Shift key. Yes, keep it pressed. While holding Shift, click on Restart. You can release Shift only after clicking. This simple action tells Windows to completely change the way it restarts, and instead of booting normally, it will switch into a special mode, Advanced Startup. This mode is totally independent from your usual Windows session, and this environment will allow us to act outside the system's usual protections, as if we were working behind the scenes of Windows. After a few seconds, you'll see a large blue screen titled Choose an Option. That's a good sign. You are officially inside WinRE. On this blue screen, several choices appear. These are professional troubleshooting tools. Here we select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt. The command prompt will launch without asking for a password. This is completely normal. In WinRE, Windows hasn't loaded user accounts yet, so no password verification is possible. And that's exactly where the power of this method comes from. This environment allows you to access normally protected files, manipulate components of a blocked system, and, most importantly, reach the System32 folder, which contains essential Windows system files, including seth.exe, the key to our technique. Keep this in mind because everything that follows relies on this principle. In WinRE, there is no built-in file explorer, but there's an old trick, using Notepad. Once the console appears, simply type Notepad. Press Enter. Notepad opens. From Notepad, go to File, Open. This Open window acts like a file explorer. It lets you browse all the drives on the PC. Then follow the path, this PC, Local Disk C, Windows, System32. Before continuing, make sure to change the drop-down at the bottom to File Type, All Files, .star. If you don't, Notepad will only show text files, and you won't see either seth.exe or cmd.exe. Now that you're in System32, look for the file Seth. This file is extremely important. It's the one that launches when you press the Shift key 5 times on the login screen. This is the accessibility feature called sticky keys. Before touching anything, we follow a golden rule of troubleshooting. Always make a backup. Right-click it, choose Rename, and name it Seth-Backup. Go back one folder, then enter again to refresh and confirm the change. Make sure the file name really changed. There you go. You've just created a safety copy. If you don't restore this file later, your Windows system will remain vulnerable. We'll talk more about this at the end. Now find the file CMD. This is the classic command prompt executable that everyone knows. Rename it to CETHC. Go back one folder, then enter again to refresh and confirm the change. Make sure the file name really changed. And now, magic! You've just reversed the roles. Sticky Keys calls Seth.exe. Seth.exe is now CMD.exe in disguise. Result: 5 presses on Shift equals an administrator console before logging in. It's a simple but extremely powerful trick, which is why it must be used in a legal and responsible context. Close all windows, exit WinRE, and click Continue. Your PC restarts and you're back at the usual Windows 11 login screen. Nothing looks different, but you now have privileged access to the inner workings of the system. We're now back on the login screen. Normally, this is the point where you're completely stuck, but thanks to the previous steps, that's no longer the case. Press the Shift key 5 times very quickly, and right in front of your eyes, an administrator console appears. Not a normal console, not a limited one, a system-level console with full privileges directly from the login screen. This is exactly what we needed. Step 1. Display the available administrator accounts. Type the following command, net local group administrators. This command displays all accounts with administrator privileges. Identify the one you want to unlock. Step 2. Reset the password. Now type net user account name asterisk. In this case, net user Adam asterisk. Windows immediately asks you to type a new password. Enter it once, then a second time. Nothing appears. No dots, no asterisks, nothing. This is normal. It's a security measure to prevent revealing the length of the password. Windows does not recover the old password. It completely deletes it and replaces it with the one you just entered. Your account is now like new, as if you had just set a fresh password. Close the command window. Type your newly created password into the login field, and there it is. You're back in your Windows 11 session. Your files are still there, your programs are still there, you didn't lose anything, and above all, access is fully restored. Very important. As long as Seth.exe launches CMD.exe, anyone could open an administrator console on your PC just by pressing Shift 5 times. You absolutely must restore the normal configuration. Go back into WinRE, restart, Shift plus Restart, then Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt. Open Notepad again, File, Open, System32. Rename Seth.exe back to CMD.exe. Seth-Backup.exe back to Seth.exe. Your system now behaves normally again with no security vulnerability. Congratulations! You now know a simple, powerful, and professional method to reset a Windows 11 local password. All thanks to WinRE, sticky keys, the administrator command prompt, and a few well-chosen commands. This is a technique taught in professional environments in a serious and educational context. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you all for watching. Take care of yourselves, and remember, with great skills comes great responsibility. Always use these techniques wisely. See you soon for another tech adventure. Bye.